Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Mailchimp tracking for affiliate links step by step clearly. To disable Mailchimp tracking for affiliate links, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience tab. Select the specific audience you want to work with. Click on the Settings option located in the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find Campaign Settings and click on it. Look for the Tracking section within the Settings menu. There, you will see options related to click tracking. Uncheck the box next to Enable tracking for all links. Next, make sure to save your changes to apply them. Repeat this process for any other audiences if necessary. Now, return to your campaigns list. Select the campaign where you want to disable tracking for affiliate links. Open the campaign settings by clicking on the Edit option. Look for the tracking settings specific to that campaign. Once again, uncheck the box for link tracking. Save your changes. Now, your affiliate links will no longer be tracked by Mailchimp. Ensure to test your links in a preview or test email before sending them out. This will confirm that tracking has been successfully disabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.